So I thought I'd do a video. You probably can't even hear me very well, but because of the wind, our second major wind event, as they call it, in the last couple of weeks. And this is the result at the lake. I thought I'd start at the lake. Just give it a little update of what we contend with here at our little cottage when it comes to dealing with the weather conditions and climate and what is happening. With the wind event came large amounts of water. They were estimating upwards of 70 millimeters of rain that was going to happen in this event, which doesn't seem to have happened, but it's not over yet. But we did get about 40 mils the last one. So now we have all of this lovely water in the yard. This was something we didn't have a time to do, was get some gravel in. We have to raise up the driveway, fill in this hole that's right here that holds the water. And over here, dig a trench. We're going to have to dig a swale or trench right along here that goes down into this way. I started to dig sort of a little hole, but it's so gravelly and rocky here that it was just too difficult. And then all the roots from these old alder bushes, which the beavers have chopped down for us. Thank you, beavers. Though I didn't want you here, but now we have another big gap for the wind to come through. But we'll be planting some shrubbery here that will help make the wind block. But we have to find things that the beavers don't like. This is what things are looking like right now. The water is up pretty high. It's not a real big concern, at least not yet. Hopefully it doesn't become a concern. Things up. The highest I've seen in the fall, and these are spring levels that the water is 2 feet from where it is right now. And this is about 50 feet of gravel, so I'm not really worried about that. It's just the wind. So here's what our little raspberry patch is looking like. We didn't do much this year. This was so I'm going to be piling up some of the chicken waste here, all along here, to try to build up some more soil. So over the next 5 years, we should have a nice base of soil to work with, and we can extend our berry patch, make like a mini berry orchard here with some caps and some more raspberries and blackberries and whatever else we can get in here. Maybe a dwarf apple tree or two, hopefully a couple of them. I'd like to have a plum tree. We're going to just extend that out. So whoops, it looks like we've got some metal going on in it from the wood ashes that I've sprinkled on the hay beds. I'm hoping to get some nice black plastic so that I can cover these up early in the spring to help speed up decomposition and kill any weed seeds. But as far as being able to have things like this, it's pretty difficult off the lake. Not like this all the time, but we do get lots of wind. And I was able to dig up a few carrots there yesterday because of this thaw, because it was 13 degrees overnight, Celsius that is. And yeah, it's going to plunge down to -7 overnight. So we're going to get some quick freeze. So I'll probably come out and pull up a few more baby carrots here. It's almost impossible to cover. I ran out of straw. I did not want to put hay on here. I wanted to put some straw, and I don't have any straw to cover up that carrot bed. But anyway, we'll see what happens. But here we are at the back of the yard, and again, lots of water. We're having to right now drain out our dry well, which is a funny name for our wastewater or groundwater system. But it has been getting flooded, so we have this little system set up so that it doesn't freeze, so it goes nice down long and out into the lake, which it's fine in the lake. More junk that has to be gotten out of here. There's two big old cast iron tubs here that were left for us. We inherited. So again, we're going to need some gravel. More gravel, ironically. More gravel, so we can build up this space here. And crushed rock. Really crushed rock more than gravel. But everything's looking okay. I don't like this freezing and thawing. It's not the greatest for our plants, but we'll see what happens. I didn't get any straw to cover up the strawberries, but they've never been covered with straw or anything. They've just been here for the last number of years, I guess. We inherited these as well. So far the trees are holding up from the wind, mostly. Just had some branches fall off, which is okay. Just a little pruning. So we'll just go stop over and see the girls. They have been out here digging around at some other time, and I'm going to let them out later on today. This little rowboat, belongs to my husband, was over there. Last week, the wind blew it to here, and we still have some clutter to clear up and get rid of. This is what I'm doing for the hens when I don't have fresh stuff to give them. I've got what's left of the round bale of hay that I just take off chunks of it every now and again and throw into the yard. It's been difficult to get enough food scraps for them. We produce a little bit, but places don't really like to hold on to them. So now, for your enjoyment, I'll just give you a little chicken meditation. Let's listen to the girls. They're still pretty happy. Hey, girls. Hey, be nice. You like your little house in there, girls? And that's it for today.